Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View again with this review. So today we're going to review CMC Markets. Founded in 1989, is a well-established, publicly traded and highly regulated UK forex broker that has successfully adapted to the ever-changing online brokerage landscape. The company is listed on the London Stock Exchange and the ticker symbol CMCX. Like many forex brokers, CMC does not accept US traders. CMC Markets offers clients one of the largest product catalogs available in the online forex brokerage community. As advertised on the company websites, clients can trade up to 10,000 instruments, which opens up many new opportunities, especially with longer-term portfolio managers. This includes 313 FX pairs, 19 plus indices, 12 cryptocurrencies, 9,000 plus shares and ETFs, 110 commodities and 50 treasuries. Spreads are competitively low and all financial instruments, with the exception of individual shares, have specified margin percentage. CMC's margin rates on shares start from 20% on UK and US shares. Different margin rates apply for a large position size on shares, depending on which tier the position size falls under. The proprietary Next Generation trading platform for web, tablet, and mobile will please technically oriented clients wanting to upgrade from MetaTrader 4, which is also offered. However, navigation is not as intuitive as some other platforms, which may be a function of all the features that are packed into this interface. Cryptocurrency CFD trading and spread betting is seamless, requiring no special interface or exchange. But relatively high average spreads could reduce client interest. The platform features advanced charting with 115 indicators overlays, 12 chart types, and 35 drawing tools, a highly customizable watchlist, client sentiment, and a streaming Reuters feed. Chart can be popped out to build and optimize complex desktop layouts. Clients who want to study long-term trends will find price histories going back 20 years on major instruments. The platform also provides price projection and patterns recognition tools, as well as a built-in connection to the client-based traders forum. CMC Markets offers an excellent fit for all types of traders, with a wide product offering, an accessible, feature-rich platform Next Generation, a plethora of research amenities, useful educational resources, and an emphasis on customer service. Being FCA regulated lends credibility, as do the extent to which CMC emphasize account security. Negative balance protection gives clients peace of mind, and the premium for guaranteed stop-loss execution is reasonable. Given the account saving risk management it provides in volatile market conditions, there are no and widely cost and free withdrawal through wire transfer is a welcome feature. It's harder to recommend the broker for mid and higher level accounts without professional designation, because they can't access active trader rebates or the IPI interface. Conversely, professional and institutions will find broadly attractive feature set that make the service a suitable fit, with a few exceptions, such as the high spread cost for certain instrument S&P 500. Introductory guides to trading the wide array of products offered are also available, along with a section comprised of videos devoted to trading strategies, a healthy roster of online webinars offers through a partnership with Trade with Precision fills the need for advanced topics, but there is no archive of previous program. Overall, educational resources are impressive, but the lack of a search function makes it harder to find less popular topics and leave one with the impression that this section is poorly organized. That being said, guys, we're coming to the end of this video. See you on another with another brokerage firm. Thanks for watching.